So in this video, I'm going to give out what I believe to be the best settings for your OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. So I'm just going to open up the charging case here firstly, and then what we need to do is to go into the Hey Melody app here, as you can see. So once you're on the Hey Melody app here, we can now start to actually change the settings. So noise cancellation. Well, to be able to actually enable noise cancellation, you need to have at least one earbud inserted into your ear, and then we can enable it. And I would say actually noise cancellation, set this to, I would set it to auto, to be completely honest with you. I do believe that noise cancellation helps a lot, especially when you're like on a bus or on a train where there's a lot of people. This is definitely really good setting to enable once you are in those environments. You can also have it set to off when you're walking, for example, or when you want to be a little bit more cautious maybe, but I quite often have it set to noise cancellation myself. So this is personalized noise cancellation. Here you can see noise cancellation effects are personalized to your auditory canal structure and earbud fit to give you clearer sound. I would say that you have to obviously have both your earbuds inserted before enabling this one. I'm just gonna insert the other one as well, just real quick. So now I believe I should be able to do this one. So there's going to be a test. Yeah, exactly. So there's going to be a test, and then afterwards, you're going to be able to personalize exactly what fits you like perfectly. So I would for sure enable this one. I'm not going to do the test now because it takes a little while, but definitely enable this one if you have noise cancellation. Dual connection. I mean, this is obviously if you want to have it set to more than one device, this is a really good one. Otherwise, you could just turn this one off. But let's say you want to have this one on your iPhone or, for example, on your PC, then this is a perfect setting to enable for sure. Game mode, I will for sure enable it if you're going to play a game on your phone as an example. Otherwise, just disable it. It's not gonna do anything for you if you're not playing the game. And Sound Master here, well, this one is quite personalized in my opinion. You can have bass set here. I would say bass wave is pretty awesome as well, to be honest, but this one you can play around with yourself. But I do prefer balanced personally because I don't like bass too much on certain music. You can also add equalizer. This is also completely up to you, and you can play around with this setting right here. I don't really mind this, to be honest, that much. I don't think it does too, like, it doesn't do too much. I've been playing around with it. I didn't notice any significant difference myself, at least. And now we can also go to the earbud controls here, by the way. So this one, single tap left earbud. I believe that a single tap on your left earbud, if you can play and pause, this is perfect. Double tap, you can have it, for example, if you don't have it set to play and pause here as well because it doesn't really matter. What you can have if you double tap, for example, is that you're going to go to the next song as an example, which is pretty cool. So triple tap, this one might give you, for example, voice assistant game mode. This is completely up to you. I have it set to none because, I mean, I don't really need a triple tap function. Long touch and hold for sure should be volume up, I believe. And this one right here, touch and hold, you can have it set to off or you can have it to enable noise cancellation like manually basically. But I have it set to off. I don't really mind about that one. So the right earbud, I'm just gonna do basically the exactly same here. Double tap, I'm going to have it set to next here. Triple tap, I'm gonna set it to none. Or you can also have it set to previous if you want to. To be fair, actually, that's not a bad idea. Set it to previous here. It's actually not a bad idea at all. Long touch and hold, volume up. Touch and hold, yeah. Once again, this is completely up to you again here. But yeah, basically, this is what I believe to be the absolute best settings here for your OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro earbuds here.